As of May 2025, there is limited publicly available information regarding Ethiopian National Defense Force (ENDF) deployments in the border town of Burebiey, located in Ethiopia's Gambela region near the South Sudanese border. This area has historically experienced cross-border tensions, ethnic conflicts, and humanitarian challenges. While specific details about military presence in Burebiey are scarce, it's known that Ethiopia has deployed various security forces along its borders to address regional security concerns. For instance, the Liyu Police, a paramilitary force operating in the Somali region, has been involved in counterinsurgency operations and border security efforts. However, their operations are primarily concentrated in the eastern regions of Ethiopia, and there is no direct evidence linking them to activities in Burebiey. Given the strategic importance of border towns like Burebiey, it's plausible that Ethiopian security forces maintain a presence to monitor and manage cross-border activities. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, consulting official Ethiopian government sources or reputable news outlets is recommended. The SSPDF were stationed in the border town of Burebiey as of yesterday. In response, Ethiopia's Chief of Staff, General Brahnu Jula, has taken a bold step by deploying the Ethiopian National Defense Force (ENDF) to protect civilians and ensure security in the area. Currently, the ENDF is stationed along the Ethiopia-South Sudan border, specifically in Burebiey. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.